Never thought. Will Liam move? Move your finger.
No, you're doing it then.
I can't do this for
Again.